Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. What if Sony's next Alpha camera isn't just an upgrade but a revolution? The Sony A7V, the long-awaited successor to the hugely popular A7 IV, is finally on the horizon. Leaks and rumors are painting a picture of a true hybrid beast. Think a brand new 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, AI-powered autofocus that rivals the flagship A1 II, 4K at 120 frames per second, and cinema-grade color science packed into a body designed for creators and professionals alike. In this video, we're breaking down everything the latest Sony A7V leaks, rumored specs, its 10 most exciting features, the possible release date, and the price you'll need to prepare for. Whether you're a photographer, filmmaker, or hybrid shooter, this might just be the most important Alpha camera of the decade. Introduction: What if Sony's next camera isn't just an upgrade but a true hybrid revolution? The Sony A7V, successor to the hugely popular Sony A7 IV, has been making waves across forums, rumor sites, and insider leaks. For months, whispers have pointed to a powerful 44-megapixel sensor, AI-driven autofocus, full-frame 4K at 120 frames per second, and professional-level video features that could make it the ultimate creator's camera. In this deep dive, we're covering everything you need to know about the Sony A7V. From the first leaks and rumors to the full list of expected specs, 10 exciting features that could define its identity, the projected release date, and what kind of price tag you might have to brace for. Whether you're a Sony Alpha fan, a hybrid shooter, or a filmmaker looking for your next workhorse, this breakdown will get you fully prepared for what could be Sony's most important release since the A7 IV. The legacy of the A7 series impact since the original A7, 2013. A7 III, 2018, set the benchmark for hybrid shooters. A7 IV, 2021, brought refinements but now feels dated compared to Canon R6 II, Nikon Z6 III, and Sony's own A1 II. Sony's strategy: Balance Pro. Features at a semi-pro price. Leaks and rumors. BACKGROUND. First mentions: camera code registration, WW84220, mid-2025. Multiple rumor sites like TechRadar, Camera Times, and Sony Alpha rumors suggest Sony has prototypes in testing. Conflicting leaks about sensor type: a new 44MP BSI CMOS, high resolution, detail lovers, or a 33MP stacked CMOS, speed, low light, fast readout. Why Sony could choose 44MP non-stacked. Balance resolution and cost. Leaks about Bion's XR processor plus AI chip powering new autofocus. Video rumors: 4K 120 frames per second full frame, 16-bit raw output, Cine tone color science. Body design leaks: similar to Sony A1 II with improved cooling, better EVF, dual card slots, CF Express plus SD. Expected specs: rumored core specification sensor, 44MP full-frame BSI CMOS. Processor: Bion's XR plus AI unit. Autofocus: real-time tracking, AI subject recognition, humans, animals, vehicles, birds, insects. Video: 4K 120 frames per second full frame, 10-bit 4:2:2 internal .16 bit raw via HDMI, S-Cinetone, S-Log3, HLG. Stills: 20 frames per second burst with AF/AE tracking. IBIS. 8-stop 5-axis stabilization. Viewfinder: 9.44 m. EVF, 120 Hz refresh. LCD: fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen, higher resolution. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 6, USB-C PD charging, dual card slots. Battery: Z-series, same as a 7/4/A1, but with better heat management. 10 most exciting features: 44MP sensor advantage, huge detail for landscapes, portraiture, commercial work. AI autofocus revolution, smarter, faster, more reliable than previous Sony models. 4K 120 frames per second full-frame video, cinematic slow motion, future-proofing content creation. Burst shooting at 20 frames per second, sports, wildlife, fast action coverage. Professional color science, Cinetone and S-Log 3 directly appealing to filmmakers. 0.16-bit raw output external workflows rival cinema cameras. 0.8-stop IBIS handheld shooting like never before. Dual card flexibility SD CF Express Type A for speed and reliability. Improved body and cooling, longer recording times, pro ergonomics. Price versus performance value, a mini A7 II at almost half. The cost. Release date timeline early rumors January, March 2025 launch, delayed. Supply chain plus AI chip integration push things back. Now expected. Announcement late 2025, shipping early 2026. Price expectations rumored body-only price. Euro 3,000,3, $200, $3, $203, $400 USD. Direct comparison A7 IV, $2,499 launch price, A1 II. $6, $500. A7V equals positioned as prosumer hybrid. Price justification. New sensor, AI chip, higher video specs, more advanced build. Extra costs. CF Express cards, external recorders, lenses. So that's the full story on the Sony A7V, its leaked specs, game-changing features, possible release timeline, and expected price. But the real question is, will this camera be the ultimate hybrid upgrade? Or is Sony saving the real revolution for something even bigger? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and tell me. Are you eyeing the A7V as your next camera? Or will you wait for the A7S IV or the next Alpha flagship? If this breakdown helped you stay ahead of the rumor mill, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive gear content, and ring that bell so you never miss a leak, launch, or lens drop. Until next time, keep shooting, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.